Apple is finally bringing Logic Pro to the iPad. This is great news for music creators all over the world who currently own an iPad or are looking to buy one in the future. This software will now be available as a subscription service for $4.99 per month, or you can sign up for an annual subscription at $49, which does include a 30-day free trial. And even though I'm not a big fan of subscription services, I do know that there's a huge market for it, and this definitely breaks down the barriers to entry, especially for beginners. So now people are going to have access to this kind of software for pretty much just a cup of coffee. Logic Pro's layout has been adapted for touchscreen, so now users are going to be able to play different instruments, create beats, and even use the Apple Pencil. Apple has also included a new sound library, so users are going to be able to test different sounds before adding them to their tracks, which can definitely spark creativity on the go. But the coolest feature, in my opinion, is the fact that now people will be able to transition between their computers and the iPad seamlessly. This means that if you start a project at home and you need to travel, you can just take the iPad and finish that project on the go. However, this does bring up a big concern of mine, which is whether or not VSTs and third-party plugins will work on the iPad. The reason I bring that up is because we all know that iPads don't carry that much RAM or storage, so I wonder if this is going to be, mainly targeted at the casual consumer or the professional as well. And even though I don't currently own an iPad, I would love to hear your opinion. So let me know down below in the comments, do you own an iPad? Will you be subscribing to this service? Or do you just think this is a money grab, a gimmick, and you're gonna stick to recording in your computer? If you enjoyed this type of content, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you wanna learn how to build an entire home studio on a budget, then make sure to click on this video.